Hey guys, this is going to be a video on how to replace the safety sensors for your Genie garage door opener. So this one has the green LED on it. It's the receiving sensor. So as you can see, I've already replaced this one. So I'm replacing them with this style. There's terminals there. So these are the ones that you can buy. It's recommended. Now, I already have the unit unplugged, and we're going to go ahead and we'll replace these sensors. Okay? So first thing we're going to do, we're going to take a drill here.
I'm Stephanie Curtis.
And we're going to remove this first sensor. So let me find something to set down the camera with.
Or wherever you get your podcasts.
Alright.
Welcome to News Hour from the BBC World Service.
Alright, so undo the... So first we're going to undo the terminals.
Who first tried to report him to the Catholic authorities in the US.
I'm quite sure that lots of people knew about it, whether he was being protected or not, I don't know.
So I'm going to go, you need a Phillips screwdriver for this, so I'm going to go grab mine.
Confront him and speak to him and talk with him about this.
And we'll get a response from a close ally of Pope Francis, the Archbishop of Chicago. Also, the United States and Mexico have reached a deal over a key
Phillips screwdriver. We're going to unscrew the terminals here.
From both countries, for all of the people that work for jobs.
And a UN investigation says Myanmar's top military leaders should be prosecuted at the International Criminal Court.
And remove the wires.
Committed against Muslim Rohingyas. That's after the news.
Like so.
Live from NPR News in Washington, I'm Nora Rahm.
Right.
Politicians from many points of view are paying tribute to Republican John McCain.
Okay, now we're going to remove the sensor itself. So,
he represented Arizona
drill,
in the Senate since 1987. Mayor Governor Andrew Cuomo, a Democrat, said although he didn't share his politics, he admired his sense of honor.
He was really a great public servant.
Alright, just a minute, guys. I need to get the right bit for removing it. Alright, guys, the bit here didn't want to go in, but by the way, the bit to use is a 3/8 inch bit, but you're just going to undo these screws here. I'll start with the top one. The other one. Alright, so here's the old sensor. This is the new one. Use the same color for each side, so we're going to use green. Okay, I'm going to put here a piece of wood. I'm going to nail a piece. I'm going to screw in a piece of wood here quick, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I just put a block of wood here so that the sensors will align correctly, but next thing you want to do is mark the height of the sensors. I just did that right there. And now we're going to get ready to mount the new ones. So I'm going to be using self-drilling screws for this. These aren't the kind that came with it, but they do work, so that's what we're going to be using. So I'm going to put in the drill bit here. 1/4 inch. Alright, so I'll take your self-drilling screw in the sensor. I'll move you a little bit closer here. Okay, so take your sensor and the screw. Put it on the bottom of your mark. I'm going to put the screw in your drill and then right. Right there. There's one screw, and then I'll mount the the other one down here. Gosh. Stupid bucket. Make sure it's even. All right, now we're going to reconnect the wires to the safety sensor. So, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen the terminals. Okay, now we're gonna curl them around the terminals, wrap the wires around terminals, make sure the wires don't touch each other or the other terminal, which these actually will not, because they have a piece of plastic in between them. So we're going to wrap our wires right here, maybe, if these get there. Alright, so we got one. That's the best I'll do for that one. So then we're going to screw in the terminals together. Okay, and then we are going to plug our unit in. Oh. Here. So we're going to plug our unit in. Make sure the wires are tight. Okay, now you're going to plug in the unit. Or opener. So, that wood there, plug in the opener. I'm going to check to make sure the sensors are aligned. So right here, and now we're going to test to make sure it'll reverse. So we're going to hit the button. And there we go. So that's how you replace Genie safety sensors. So I hope this video has been helpful to you guys having to do this. The reason you might need to replace them eventually, the beam that transmits it. This one, the beam that it sends out, eventually it'll go bad. So that's why you may need to replace them, but that's how you replace them. So thank you for watching, guys. Check back soon and subscribe to the channel.